another day with strong winds and big waves at the lake shore. There are serious concerns about erosion happening right now.
Here's meteorologist Matt Kirkwood with a look at our forecast. Matt, how long are these winds going to hang around?
A little longer. If a little less than a week ago, we had the same scenario, but the wind direction was different. Last week, it was out of the north-northwest. This go around, it's out of the south and west. So that's going to aim the strongest winds and waves kind of towards the Muskegon area. And the wind has been very impressive so far. Grand Haven, Muskegon coming in over 50 miles an hour, right at 50 in both Saugatuck and the Holland area. As you head inland, they have not been quite as strong. But even inland areas, I expect some wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. Now, this is last check of this hour at 12 o'clock observation. Still 47-mile-an-hour wind gusts in the Muskegon area, 31 in Grand Rapids. Another look at those waves just pounding the lake shore. Obviously, don't head out on the pier. You can see very easily them approaching the pier, crashing over that. So very dangerous out there. Fun to watch from a distance, though. Here's a lakeshore flood warning covering all of West Michigan along the lakeshore. Waves expected 10, maybe some isolated 15-footers. Port Sheldon Buoy actually coming up with a wave over 9 feet earlier today. Looking at radar right now with the cooler temperatures moving in and that strong storm system, we're starting to form some of those showers out there. Some heavier a little bit south of Grand Rapids right now, but even in Grand Rapids receiving those rain showers. Temperature right now 49 degrees. Don't expect a change in that. It should stay steady right on through the rest of the day with periods of horizontal rain. Do have an improving forecast though in the 8-day. Pretty easy to do with today's forecast. More on that later.